Welcome to Circuits Analytica. In this video, we will discuss electrical equivalent of and OR gates. OR gate. OR gate is a basic logic gate with more than one inputs and one output. When all inputs of an OR gate are at logic 0, then output is logic 0. If any one of the inputs of an OR gate is at logic 1, then output is at logic 1. In short, the functionality of an OR gate can be explained as if any one of the inputs is high, then output is high, else output is low. This is the symbol of an OR gate. This is the truth table of an OR gate with two inputs. A and B are the two inputs. Z is the output. When both inputs are at logic 0, then output is equal to logic 0. Else, if any one of the two inputs is equal to 1, then output is equal to 1. This is the electrical equivalent circuit of an OR gate with n number of inputs. Here an open switch represents logic 0 and a closed switch represents logic 1. In this circuit, all switches are open, so current flow through the circuit is equal to 0. LED will not emit light. When any of these switches is closed, current flows through the circuit, forward biasing the LED, and the LED emits light to represent the output logic 1. This is the electrical equivalent circuit of an OR gate with two inputs A and B. Whenever A and B are open, current flow through the circuit is equal to 0. Whenever any one of the two inputs is at logic 1, then current flows through the circuit, LED is forward biased and LED emits light, representing logic 1. Next is an AND gate. An AND gate is a basic logic gate with more than one inputs and one output. When all inputs of an AND gate are at logic 1, then output is logic 1. When any one of the inputs of an AND gate is at logic 0, then output is at logic 0. In short, the functionality of an AND gate can be explained as if any one of the input is low, then output is low, else if all the inputs are high, then output of the AND gate is high. This is the symbol of an AND gate. This is the truth table of a two-input AND gate. When any one of the inputs is equal to 0, output is equal to 0. When both inputs are at 1, output is equal to 1. This is the electrical equivalent of an AND gate with n number of inputs. An open switch represents input 0 and a closed switch represents input 1. An LED which is in the off condition represents output 0 and an LED which is forward biased represents output 1. So here, when all the switches are closed, current flows through the circuit, forward biasing the LED. LED emits light, which emulates the case if all inputs are 1, output is equal to 1. If any of these switches is open, then current will not flow through the circuit, so LED will not be forward biased, so LED will not emit any light, and this case emulates the condition if any of the inputs is at logic 0, then output is equal to logic 0. So this is the electrical equivalent of an AND gate. If both switches are closed, that means both inputs are logic 1, then current flows through the LED, forward biasing the LED. LED emits light which denotes output is equal to logic 1. If any of the two switches is open, which denotes the corresponding input is equal to logic 0, current flow through the circuit is equal to 0, so LED will not be forward biased, LED will not emit light, which emulates the condition output is equal to logic 0. When both switches are closed, current flows through the circuit forward biasing the LED, LED emits light. So when both switches are closed, emulates the condition A is equal to B is equal to 1. LED emits light which emulates the case output is equal to logic 1. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.